like the acronym BOF. I think of Bank of France. Breathe, open, flow. So, first of all, getting back to that breath, having that nice full breath underneath your voice. Then O, open your mouth to be articulate. You can't keep your mouth closed, otherwise those sounds aren't clear. So open your mouth, sort of like you're a megaphone. And finally, flow. Think of your voice sort of like a windmill. We see a windmill and the fan is turning. It's not turning of its own energy, it's turning because of the air that's passing through it. Same is true with your voice. It's the air, it's the vibration, it's the flow that's going through. So once you do the BOF method, you'll be more articulate because that sound is just flowing through. These muscles are relaxing and it becomes effortless and clear and articulate.